This is what to do with your 18-inch magnetic tool holders that come from Harbor Freight. There you go. Pick up all those extraneous metal objects that's in your grass or in your driveway. All it is that's about a 5-inch wheel. Straight piece across there. I got 2 of these magnets attached to this oak piece here, just with carriage bolts. I got an old handle that I had that I turned a little tenon or a peg and put it in there, and it works like a champ. And look at all this junk that it picks up real easy. And if you drop something on your shop floor in sawdust that's metal, pick it right up. See ya.